Holy shit, we got a new sponsor today, guys. It's lamprey. I just googled the English word for it because I have never known what this thing even is. It's this freaking eel looking motherfucker like. Never eaten these. Just saw a couple in the store and I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna taste a new animal. Sun is shining. I'm gonna test a new animal. Life is good. And we got some raw chicken also. Hell yeah. Too bad we couldn't have raw lamprey. It's smoked. Man, that's good. No wonder those tribal people love eating those eels. This is amazing. Man, I'm gonna go back to that store to get some more of these. I never even seen one of these in nature. How did he know we even have these in Finland? Actually, I didn't know that. But never seen it in the stores or myself in the nature. No better day to get some final rays of the sunshine. See you in April. See you. But it's pretty cold out, actually. The sun is shining, but it's cold. I'm editing those shorts from my first videos. Thank you everybody who watched my shorts and shut up Lisa. We love raw chicken. They're pretty fun to make, but I'm watching the first ones and my tan was so good. I remember those days when base science got started. The sun was so bright and we were so tanned. I miss those days. But yeah, no better day to eat some more raw chicken and saw some sun through the glass so it doesn't even work. But anyway, to talk about these emotional motherfuckers. Or they not even motherfuckers. They just wimps. Little soy boys. With them little bitch tits out hanging. These guys are everywhere now. What happened to the testosterone? Was it the microplastics? Was it that nobody ate lampreys anymore? Nobody ate eels anymore? Yeah. Oh, I know. It was nobody ate raw chicken. That's right. There's these white knights. Guys talking about their feelings. Pussy. Actually, real man always shows his real feelings. He ain't afraid to cry a little in front of beaches and hoes. He always shows real feelings. But the thing is, real men don't really feel like crying like a little crybaby, soy baby every single day. Real man based, but real man also feeling things, can feel a lot, and he's not afraid to show emotion. But real man also not weak wimp, little white knight to try to get that pussy with those tears. Real man authentic. That's the whole freaking point. Real man authentic. Hunting and eating lampreys and man, crazy ass combination. Lamprey with raw chicken. Holy shit. They both in my mouth same time. Wow. I wanna eat every animal in this earth. That's my final goal for my life. To taste every animal. I got many to go. Better start hunting then. Something that these soy boys can't do because they're big stitch on their legs pretty much these days. And that ball sack sucked into their body. And those taints are small as hell. But yeah, I pretty much see it again like the pendulum swing, where the balance is here, where the real men are here. But because so long, men were suppressing their shit and they were acting tougher than they really are. That's again soy boy behavior. They don't be authentic. Authenticity, it's the superpower we all could have, but we coping. So for a long time there was these tough guys. They ain't tough though. That were unbalanced again. So then the pendulum swings, and now some of these roleplay motherfuckers try to act like they're all emotional. They're so feminine now. That's true masculinity. Crying every single day, everything sucks. Yeah, everything does suck, but real man don't freaking cry about it. Real man tries to hunt every animal in this earth and taste them. That's some real G shit. When the balance is just authentic man being himself. If he feels like crying, he cries. He don't care if his bitch or girl is beside him. All these red billers, they are right on this side again. Talking about if you cry once in front of your girlfriend, she's gonna lose all respect to you. These red bill motherfuckers, they're the least confident guys. Little simps, I know. They suck. They're so fake also. Fake people, they're the worst. They're the ones living in those copes and delusions. The sun is here now. They just go max out on those copes. Those guys suck ass. Just as much as those fake ass simp white knight soy boy motherfuckers. They both suck ass because they ain't authentic, or their biochemistry all fucked up. That's why they feel like women. Man in nature, they based as hell. They're so present, and their presence is oozing of confidence. They don't need to prove anything, this or that, really. They're just happy to be there in the nature. They're trying to hunt those lampreys. Because they are good eating. And then when you eat the lamprey, your inner biochemistry, real nice. Oh yeah, I was supposed to give you update. Expired raw chicken. No freaking problems. Surprise, surprise, motherfuckers. Holy shit, this society is full of nonsense. It's getting real tiresome. Good thing we can still eat lampreys though. These are amazing. Really good. Better than raw chicken though. Next time I want some raw lampreys with my raw chicken. See you in the next one. Bye.